Welcome to the in front of me Black Shark 5 Pro, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So to do that, we should first open the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel, and just to mute your device ringtone you should hold and swipe to the left side with your finger this volume panel. If also you can make it by the second way, just press first up or down volume button here, and also after that tap on the three dots on the volume panel, and by the same way slide to the down this volume panel, and by this way you will also mute your device ringtone. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.